First, turn off the car engine. Pry open from the right side here. Take this off slowly. Remove the air vents on both sides. You need to use a tool to remove these four screws. You can reach us via binizeofficial at email, com or WhatsApp at 8613312163-97. We'll arrange a customer service manager to assist you personally. And here's a little bonus. Don't forget to include your order number when you contact us, and you'll get a nice surprise. Take off the two yellow clips from the original car radio and install them onto the new car radio. Install the yellow clips into these two positions marked by the red circles. Install the yellow clips in this way. This is the 20P multi-function wiring harness. This is the fan power cord. It needs to be connected to the corresponding plug on the 20P harness. This is the microphone. Please make sure to connect this microphone, otherwise you will not be able to use the microphone function. These two are USB connection wiring harnesses. Connect this USB interface to the corresponding plug of the original car. Now we are connecting the GPS signal antenna. This 10P plug is the reverse rear view connector. It needs to be plugged in. This is the rear view camera we provide. Connect the red plug and black plug of the camera. This is the 5 meters video transmission and signal control line. Connect the yellow plug of the camera to this yellow plug. Connect the two red wires together, then connect these two wires to the positive pole of the reverse light note. Be sure to connect to the positive pole of the reverse light, not the brake light. Connect this black wire to the negative pole of the reverse light. Connect the yellow interface at the other end of this 5 meters video cable to the 10P reverse rear view plug. Toyota Highlander base trim, compatible wiring harness. Toyota Highlander top tier, trim compatible wiring harness. Please select the corresponding wiring harness based on your vehicle's configuration. Now, we will demonstrate the wiring harness connection for the base model. Connect the pink wire at the other end of this 5 meter video cable to the back wire on the 16-pin connector. This is the radio antenna. Plug it in. These are the power wire, account wire, and front speaker wire. This is the rear speaker connector. This is the radio antenna connector. These are the steering wheel controls. This is the Toyota Highlander top-tier trim compatible wiring harness. This is the radio antenna. Plug it in. This is the power supply for the CAN bus box. This is the CAN bus box. If using the OEM backup camera, connect this RCA plug to the 10-pin RCA plug. If using the camera we provided, connect it following the method demonstrated just now. This is the CAN bus box. Check to ensure it is securely plugged in. These are the power wire and front speaker wires. This is for the rear view function. This is the rear speaker connector. This is the suck steering wheel controls. Please wrap these interfaces with electrical tape. If you encounter any problems, please open the support software first. It will help you solve all issues. Please wrap these interfaces with electrical tape. For purchase inquiries, please contact our customer service or search for 97 Binizeofficial Car Stereo Toyota Highlander 2014 on Amazon.